welcome to a video on changing the background of your slide deck. Okay, so first thing, you cannot be clicked on let me start over. If you want to change the background of the actual slide, you cannot have a text box selected. Okay, no bueno. So make sure that you're not selecting on anything, and just all you have to do is just click on the background where there is no text box. From there, you click background. You'll see change background come up, color, and you can select the background color. Now, make sure that you're choosing a color that is easy for your teachers to see, okay? It must be, we have to be able to see the words that y'all are typing. So just keep that in mind, please. Now, the other thing, you can choose an image. If you're choosing an image, you can do a Google search, but do not search for anything that has a lot of like graphics or a lot of pictures. You want to have something that is plain. So for example, if you do something ocean, okay, I don't know. I would choose a solid color, or even like something like this might be okay. Something where you can easily see the text so that it's easy for us to read, okay? Yeah, so like that would work. Now let's say that you want all of your slides to have this theme, okay? This color, this background. Then you'd select add to theme. And then you've probably noticed my entire theme changed here to this really pretty kind of ocean thing. So again, changing background, just click on the background. You can click on background, you can change the color, you can choose an image, you can do theme, and that again changes the entire slides that you have. That is all. Thank you for watching.